Welcome everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to finally do something I always want to do for so long. Today I have a unboxing for you guys today. I got my Boxycharm box in the mail. Yay! Love, love, love when I get these boxes. I truly love unboxing. It's like Christmas. It's like my birthday every single time I get a new box. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my box for my premium. So the Boxy Premiums are all the same this time around because it's something that they did differently. It's going to be, for the first time, all Fenty. So these are things that's currently out, but they're not like new items that no one's seen before. I haven't never tried any of her products before, unfortunately, so I'm so glad that I got to try a lot of her products for the first time. So with that being said, let's get into the box. So I took everything out already. I have everything all set up on a table, so I'm prepared. The FabFitFun unboxing, I just felt like it was so much time. I took so much time to take things out of the box. And to unpackage everything, it just was time consuming. So I think this is easier if I just take everything out the box and just go. So I'm going to try that out and see how it works for my videos. So the box came with a little card. It says Boxycharm Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So the card tells you everything that you bought, everything that was in a box. My total was $143, which I feel like everybody's total is the same thing since we all got the same thing. Just different shades in the lipstick and in this little highlighter thing. Let's dig in to see what we got. I just want to let you guys know, I also got my add-ons came in a box, and the things in I got stuff from the charm room. So it did come separately. This came the same day with my Boxy Premium. It says hello charmer. I think I had like 400 and something charms, and so this is what I chose. I got some little brushes, the Luxie brushes. So the charm room is like, if you do reviews on the things that you get in your box, you do your review and then you get charms. When you get a certain amount of charms, you can get a free product. So I finally had enough to get something that I wanted. So I love brushes. I have a million brushes. So I'm like, what's another 4 more brushes gonna do? So these are what they look like. So they're cute. I actually really like these. They're like gold. It's all gold with gold flecks all over them. And then you got like a tiny little brush for like your crease area. You got a little blending brush that you can do for your crease. Another tiny brush which is good for like smudging or in the crease. And then a big brush that you can use for like, you know, the eye area. So this was really great. I was really happy to get this. And this was free because I got it from my charm room. So that was the first thing I got. Like I said, they came both together, but not all in the box. The next thing I got was, I did add-ons. So I got 3 things for my add-ons. So add-ons is, you can buy things that's like 80% off from Boxycharm. Normally these are things that they already gave out in previous boxes, but now you get a chance to get them at a cheaper price. So I don't know if you guys remember, we had a Ace Beauty palette that just, was it not this month, last month, they gave us an Ace Beauty palette, which is in one of my things back there. One of my, you guys probably can't see, but I have tons of palettes here. I have palettes down here. I have so much makeup. You guys thought I was joking when I said I got a lot of makeup. You guys can't even, my cubes go all the way up and they go all the way down, and I have cubes over there, a pound of makeup over here. There's like, this is my makeup room, which eventually I'm gonna do a tour of my beauty room for you guys. I have so much stuff. I'm so excited to share this with all of you guys. So that's gonna be one of my future videos, because a lot of people always say they want to know how I organize my stuff and my products. I'll show you guys all my train cases I use on my kits when I do freelance work. So eventually you guys get to see my whole room, but this is like a little sneak peek. So Anyway, back to my products. So the first thing I got was the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in rose gold. So the packaging looks like this. I already used everything in the box, so I can give you guys my honest opinion. Actually, I didn't use these palettes yet. I only used a color in one of them. But so this is what the rose gold color looks like. It's honestly very sheer on my skin tone. I put a little here. So that's this. Beautiful, but it's a soft glow, but soft enough that you can still see it, because I could definitely see it on camera. So that was one thing that I got. And then I got 2 Ace Beauty palettes. I fell in love with these palettes from the other one that they gave us. It was like so pigmented. I never heard of Ace Beauty, honestly, prior to getting it in my Boxycharm box, but they were so pigmented, so creamy that I'm like, I need to have all the palettes. I didn't get the other one that they had on Boxycharm because it was blues, and I just bought recently the Anastasia palette. I got this one, the blue one. So, and it has a lot of blues in it. So, that's why I'm like, I don't need any more blue. I literally just bought that. So anyway, let's take a look at the palettes. This is the first one. The only thing I didn't like about this palette is it doesn't have a mirror. And in the mornings when I do my makeup, I like to have a mirror. So I can just, you know, do my makeup while I'm listening to my music, dance out, you know. Can't do that with this palette though. So I gotta like have this out. This one has a mirror, the orange one. I don't know how they pick and choose which one has a palette, but I do like this color scheme. Today I have a little of the black on in my crease. It was very pigmented. I gotta be honest, that's the only thing I tried from this palette so far, but the black that I tried that's on today was very pigmented. And I got this palette. It has a mirror. Let me just flip it over. This side is the mirror, which you can hear me tapping on, and this is the palette. So it's like fun colors, blue, green, teal. I like it. And the mirror is really big. Let me just see, the mirror is really big, like almost the size of my hand. So I got that. I don't remember the prices, but it was like practically like dirt cheap. So that was what I got for my add-ons. So now I'm going to start with my Fenty box. So everybody got this beautiful palette here. The Moroccan Spice. So let me just cover up the mirror. This is what the colors look like. I like the palette. In my honest opinion, I felt like it wasn't that pigmented. It wasn't very pigmented. I had to keep layering and layering and layering and layering them to look like something. Unlike like my Anastasia palettes, like they're all so pigmented. I'm used to like that deep pigmentation. So that's the only feedback that I could give for this, is that I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. But it's nice if you like a soft, if you like very soft makeup, then you will love this palette. Me, like I said, I used to work for MAC, so I'm used to like a beat face. So I like dramatic. I'm here for the drama. So this is actually natural to me, because in some other palettes you can tell like it looks more dramatic, but nevertheless, it was nice to try. I believe these are on sale. I watched some other videos and some people were saying this was already on sale. So that's that. Alright, then the next thing they gave us was a Fenty lipstick. The color I got was Griselda. It's like a brown. Like a... Is this like a wine color? It looks like a wine color. Let's swatch it. This is my first swatch I ever did on camera. So let's swatch it. Let me see if I do a good swatch for you guys. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a wine-ish color. So, I like this. I would definitely wear... It's not a fall or spring color, but it's beautiful. I do like it. So, I got the lipstick. That was a color I got. Now, when you get, like, subscription boxes, they're hit or miss. Obviously, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to get everything you like. This was the only thing I didn't like from the box because I got the purple one, so I can't really, these are highlighters, so I can't really use them on my cheeks. I'm not going to put purple on my cheeks, so unfortunately I'm probably not going to be able to use this, but I will use it. I heard you can use it for multiple things, so I'm going to use it like an eyeshadow, for like an eyeshadow look. And if I'm daring, maybe put a little bit on my lips too, but I cannot use this. I'm not putting purple on my cheeks, let's be real. There were some pretty ones, like I saw a gold one, that I would have worn on my cheek, like an orange one, that I would have worn on my cheek, but this one I cannot wear on my cheek. This color is called Unicorn. They're called matchsticks. And if you have other ones, there's a magnet in this and all of them stick together. So this is my only one that I have, so I can't demonstrate for you guys. But I saw in someone else's unboxing that they was like magnetized to each other. So that was kind of cool. But that's the color that I got. Oh, let me swatch it for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me close the cap and give you guys like a nice, so that's what it looks like. But as you can see, like that would be ashy on me if I just did that as a highlighter. That wouldn't be cute for business. So I will not be wearing this on my cheek, but maybe on my eyes, you know, maybe use it as an eyeshadow base when I do like my plum colors. So I got that. We all got that, but just different colors. Same thing with the lipsticks. We all got a lipstick, but in different colors. I got, this is the Trophy Wife highlighter. See, Trophy Wife. See, so that's what it looks like. It's a beautiful gold. This can look very sharp on the cheeks, so I probably would just do this as like, maybe like eyeshadow or lightly on my cheek. But let me swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is a swatch of what it looks like. It's pretty, but as you can see, like it's a lot for like a highlighter. Like it'll look, it can even look ashy like on like darker skin tones. So gotta be careful with that, or maybe too much for lighter skin tones. So play with it. Then we all got this lip gloss in Diamond Milk. So it's like a clear lip gloss. It gives like a little shine. There's no color. I'll put a little bit on. So you can wear this over anything. So I'll put a little bit on so you guys can see what it looks like. It just gives like a little shine. See? Very pretty. Why is it as when we're girls, when we put on our lip colors, we're always like, do you guys do that? Do you ever go like, and like pout out your lips? I'm always like, these are the things we do. But I love this. I wore this yesterday by itself. I got my box yesterday and I was so excited. I put everything on because I got it like early in the day. But I felt like by itself it can look kind of ashy too. This looks pretty over stuff, but by itself I felt like the gold one, I feel like if I had a gold one I could wear by itself. But this one I felt like it looked like a little ashy by itself. So I feel like this is more like a topper. So got that. And then we all got this. It's like the a blotting paper. I wasn't that excited about blotting paper because, you know, blotting paper is blotting paper. There's nothing exciting about blotting paper. The blotting paper, it was like a little confusing to put it in because the paper doesn't come inside. So it took me a while to figure out how to get this in here. But it just, you put it in, you close it, and then you tear off, and then you can like blot. Give a little shine. So that was that. It has a little mirror right in the front above the Fenty. It's hard to open a little bit, especially when you have nails, which most girls do. But I like that it's tiny. You can put it in your pocket. It's very good for travel. So we got that, and then that is all. I wanted to show you the box. Look how pretty the box was. It says Fenty Boxy Charm. Very nice. So that was the box. I'm thinking about keeping this box just because I like the box. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. But anyway, this is the ending of my video. Like I said, I'm definitely going to do a video where you guys get to see my whole beauty studio. There's no rhyme or reason. I have everything, you know, just where it's at, but I'll show you guys in a soon-to-be video. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.